Yo, it's just getting bigger. More people are showing up. This is gonna be a crazy event.
I did the
Look at this.
I did the ABS cover, the fuse box cover, the track cover. I got to redo this one because there's my little issue right there. So this was all done last year.
Go ahead.
I don't know.
I took pictures of the parking lot. There we go! A demon! Woo! Fuck yeah! Demon King, bro. Yeah. Just more and more and more rolling in. The only demon to show up.
I know about this demon though. This is the got bags.
Gotta love that. Yo, that's so clean.
Wow. Very nice.
So clean.
Please be careful because they will be out there really well. Parking on top we have so we can get people in. Other than that, just we're trying to maximize space, so careful, we try to park somewhere close. Everybody who's aware of the door sitting open, we'll try to be careful when the door needs to open.
Trying to get through the maze of cars here, back to my car. See if we can do here. We've made it back to the baby. Hello, baby. Did anybody take cards? I don't know. We'll see. All right, so everybody's in their cars now. They're getting ready. We're about to roll out single file, and yeah, it'll be about 45 to an hour before we get up there. Once we get up there, everybody's gonna get stationed, and we're gonna go. So we are off. And it looks like I am. Oh. Okay. Well, he went, so I guess we're not off. I got told that I'm not going yet, so yeah. I don't know. Pretty crazy. It's a good line of cars right there.
We're in it right now.
This is it.
Only
Destroyer Gray car at the whole event. There's probably 150 cars here right now. So yeah. What do you think? What do you think about the event, man?
It's a good turnout in my opinion. I know they're saying it's 100-something plus cars, but I mean, this seems like a lot of cars. This is going to be a good roll-up.
Yeah, regardless of how many cars show up, we got some awesome cars here. We got a demon here. Yep. We got multiple Hellcats.
One demon.
One demon, just one. So we got multiple Hellcats out here, and a couple Fiats. We got a Fiat behind me that's actually boosted, so that's pretty cool. He sounds pretty dope. But yeah, we're gonna obviously head up to Mount St. Helens here and let the show continue. Stay tuned, guys. All right, everybody's rolling out, single file.
to see this guy drive. He's so low. See him scrape. How that lane's going. Oh my gosh, this rollout. There's that low ass dart.
Alright, here you go.
He probably had to like turn on his car. There we go. Come on. Yeah, look at these. Go. These people are making gaps. Gotta go together, people. So fucking, oh, that guy just went, dude. He was like, fuck it. He's like, I want to go. No shit's given right there. That guy. This guy's pretty low.
He said, just go.
Just go if you want to.
Jesus.
Ooh, lad. Can't even hold it steady. Roll it out. Not spirited driving my ass. Not at all.
Guys, came up to the mountain here. As you can see behind me, this is Mount St. Helens. Blew out in 1980. It basically took the whole ravine here, just decimated it, literally. So yeah, we're here. We made it. There's bugs everywhere, crazy bugs.
Where's that bug at? There he is.
See him?
What is that? What is he doing?
Fucking locust, bro. He's trying to attack me. Crazy. Do you know the way? You do not know the way. So what do you guys think of this demon wrap here? It's interesting. It's almost like a reflective color. It's almost like cartoony. Badass. off he goes.
That is nice. Must be on springs or something.
Well, Alec, what do you think? Was it worth driving up here?
Was it worth driving?
Flying,
Yeah,
I mean.
yeah, it was worth the flight.
Not driving, but flying.
Pretty good meat.
Yeah.
Pretty good meat. Lots
Yeah.
of cars.
For sure. This is good
Lots of
stuff.
fast cars.
This is good stuff, man. So much power, so much noise. Which it's not really noise at all. It's
I'm just
actually
happy we saw a demon.
two.
Happy we saw two
Two.
demons.
Two demons. The SRT4 gang over here. Definitely don't see very many of these days.
They all have different intercoolers.
And they're all, well, these are the same colors, but yeah.
PRPF ones.
I think, I'm almost positive this is the one that I was going to buy, dude. I'm like almost positive.
But in a different color, right?
No, it was yellow.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, I'm almost positive this is the one that I was going to buy. Like, what the hell?
Uh-huh.
I'm like almost 100% positive. Looks like the same wheels and everything. This here is one of my favorite cars that have came. I'm like really partial on doing those. I don't know if I want to do them or not for my Destroyer Gray. Oh, and I'm also partial on doing this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Should I get hood pins and should I get the front right here vinyled? Because I think it looks pretty sweet. It's like a whole flow.
Very nice.
Another option to the car, we could possibly go with some carbon fiber stripes. Even though I have a matte black hood, I think it would look really good. Although I want to get this front bumper for my car. So yeah, that's another option. This thing is beautiful. And these two are too cute over here. They're really too cute. His and hers matching cars. Awesome. They even got matching little chairs for their get up. But yeah, this Hellcat is beautiful. Got you, drone. Yo, what do you guys think of the Durango? I think it's pretty sweet, to be honest. Like, look at this engine bay. It's a 5.7 liter. Look at this thing.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's well put together. It's all matching.
I doubt that comes stock like that. Looks like he had some of that painted.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Yeah, this has been painted. Absolutely, that's been painted.
Fuse box cover.
Fuse box, probably.
Box cover.
It may all have been painted. I don't know.
It's nice.
It looks really cool
Great
though.
accents. Hell, man, he's even got a.
Alright, so everybody's pretty much clearing out at the moment, so I'm gonna end up this video here, wrap it up for you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, notification bell, turn it on, because you guys need to turn it on to see future videos of all kinds, giveaways, and all that good stuff, live streams, whatever, you name it. So yeah guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy everybody.